Here are the top incredible tips to lose belly fat. Solvent fiber may assist you with getting thinner by expanding totality and diminishing calorie assimilation. Attempt to remember a lot of high-fiber food sources for your weight reduction diet. A few investigations have connected a high admission of trans fat to expanded midsection fat addition. Whether or not you're attempting to get more fit, restricting your admission of trans fat is a smart thought. Unreasonable liquor admission has been related with expanded midsection fat. In the event that you need to diminish your waistline, think about savoring liquor control or avoiding totally. High-protein nourishments, for example, fish, lean meat, and beans, are ideal in case you're attempting to shed some additional pounds around your midriff. Stress may advance fat increase around your midsection. Limiting pressure ought to be one of your needs in case you're attempting to get more fit. Extreme sugar admission is a significant reason for weight acquire in numerous individuals. Breaking point your admission of sweets and handled food sources high in added sugar. High-impact practice is a successful weight reduction strategy. Studies propose it's especially viable at thinning your waistline. A high admission of refined carbs is related with extreme stomach fat. Consider diminishing your carb admission or supplanting refined carbs in your eating regimen with solid carb sources, for example, entire grains, vegetables, or vegetables. Studies recommend that utilizing coconut oil rather than other cooking oils may help lessen stomach fat. Strength preparing can be a significant weight reduction system and may help lessen tummy fat. Studies recommend it's much more compelling in mix with oxygen-consuming activity. Maintaining a strategic distance from all fluid types of sugar, for example, sugar-improved refreshments, is vital in case you're attempting to shed some additional pounds. Lack of sleep is connected to an expanded danger of weight acquire. Getting enough top-notch rest ought to be one of your fundamental needs on the off chance that you intend to shed pounds and improve your well-being. As an overall weight reduction guidance, it's consistently a smart thought to monitor what you're eating. Keeping a food journal or utilizing an online food tracker are two of the most mainstream approaches to do this. Eating greasy fish or taking omega-3 enhancements may improve your general well-being. Some proof additionally proposes it might decrease tummy fat in individuals with greasy liver infection. With regards to fat increase, natural product juice can be similarly as awful as sweet pop. Think about evading all wellsprings of fluid sugar to expand your opportunity of effectively getting more fit. Apple juice vinegar may assist you with losing some weight. Creature Examines recommend it might assist with lessening stomach fat. Taking probiotic enhancements may help advance a solid stomach-related framework. Studies likewise recommend that advantageous gut microorganisms may help advance weight reduction. Discontinuous fasting is an eating design that switches back and forth between times of eating and fasting. Studies recommend that it very well might be quite possibly the best approaches to get in shape and gut fat. Consistently drinking green tea has been connected to weight reduction, however it's most likely not as compelling all alone and best joined with workout. Getting in shape and keeping it off is troublesome except if you for all time change your dietary propensities and way of life.